All right, I'll talk to you in a little bit. All right, bye. All right, with all jokes aside, what's going on, you guys? It's Anil from Woodwork. I wanted to come to you guys with an unboxing video. Shout out to Tanbaby over on Amazon for sending us these garage lights. They reached out to us via email. They saw what we were doing on TikTok and Instagram, and they said, hey, would you guys like to review some lights? And I was like, hey, yeah, let's review some lights. And they were like, hey, send us the address. And I was like, hey, here is the address. And then all of a sudden, poof, we got a package. So let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Let's see the garage lighting currently, and then we're gonna see the garage lighting with these bad boys installed. And then, hey, you never know, I might give this away to one of you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So as we see here, we have, it's a 2-pack, which is perfect, right? You really, really light up your garage. The LEDs, so it comes with like that 5 honeycomb type of system here. It's a 2-pack, which I like, right? So you don't have to buy each individual light by themselves. Okay, so they come with some E26 sockets. So if you're familiar with, you know, changing out the wiring or the sockets that are installed on your ceiling, you have these bad boys to do so. This is fairly simple. I did it on a pair of lights that I had in the past. It was quick and easy, especially in the garage area where sometimes your lights might be installed at a diagonal angle. These lights, they won't be able to be installed at that angle. They have to be installed vertically. So you'll want to switch out the sockets. So we'll swap out the sockets in the garage and then install these bad boys and see how that looks. And then we have our lights. So 5 panels, right? Lamp color is black, which I like a lot. Don't really like. So we got 5 panels, which I like a lot. The lamp color is black, right? The wattage, 150 watts, 15,000 lumens. So these bad boys get really bright. And what's actually cool about these lights, it's not actually 5. So you'll see that there's 5 panels, right? You got 5 panels here, but then you also have a panel right underneath. So it's actually 6. So this is pretty cool. Just your standard socket of installation. Comes with 2 of them, right? So we got 2 of these bad boys. Should get really, really bright. And then it also comes with just the product specs, parameters, some installation instructions, things of that nature in the box. You know, fairly simple. I appreciate that they presented this within the box because there's a lot of products on Amazon where you really don't even get instructions. You have to go back to the listing, look at the reviews, and kind of see how other people install the product, right? So this is great to have in the box. I feel comfortable of installing these bad boys. I mean, it's fairly simple. It's just like regular light bulbs that you would install outside of the sockets. If you guys want like an in-depth review of changing out the sockets, let me know. But for the case of this video, I won't be doing this here, right? So let's take these bad boys to the garage. Let's see how my lighting is right now. And then let's swap those bad boys and put these ones in and see how the lighting is then. So let's get to it. Please excuse the mess in the garage, but as you can see, the lighting isn't bad. The lighting is, oh. Hello, little giant ladder. Link in the description below if you want to get you a nice ladder. Just got back from Utah visiting their facility. I will say they produce phenomenal ladders. The team is unbelievable. They're a trustworthy team. And for me, the team is the most important part, because if you could trust the team and you believe in what it is that they're doing, then you could believe that they're going to create a product that will withstand time, right? Definitely check them out. Visit their website. They have a ton of awesome ladders for sale on their website. If you have any questions about any of the ladders, drop them down in the description below, and I'll answer your questions that you may have. Or if you just want to converse about different ladders in the industry or what we use our ladders for, definitely drop them in the description below. But let's get back to the video. So as you can see, the lighting isn't bad in this area. It's fairly simple, you know. It lights it up, it serves its purpose. These are just your standard light bulbs that we have installed, right? So let's go ahead and swap them out. And like I said, excuse the mess, I apologize. But let's go ahead and swap them out and let's see what we get. Alrighty, so voila, the lights are installed. I like the lighting. I like the lighting system. It's definitely, it gives the room some brightness, right? It's a fairly simple process when it came to the installation of these bad boys. I really can't look straight up into them. My eyes are very sensitive to bright lights, but you know, it brightens up the room. Let me give you guys a quick tour of the room. So if you remember what it looked like before, I'll have like a before and after. Excuse the mess, Rayleigh does gymnastics in here. She's a future Olympian, so you gotta bear with it, baby. But as you can see, we have one light installed over there and then another one installed there. And the brightness is nice. You know, it gives it a nice, you know, white light in the garage, which is exactly what you want here. You really don't want like a soft yellow. It just makes the room so dark and dull. I mean, they're great lights. You know, if you're in the market for some garage lights, some lights that are really bright and that gives your room like the exposure you're looking for, whether you're doing, you know, filming like I'm doing right now, or if you're working in your garage, or if you need some shop lights, I highly recommend getting you some LED lights. Like I said, if you want to purchase these bad boys here, the link will be in the description below, or in our Linktree description. They're from Tanbaby. They're the 2021 models, so they're 15,000 lumens. It comes with an E27 socket. It's fairly simple to swap. Just make sure that you turn off the power to your garage sockets before you work on those, unless you want to get zapped. That's not a good feeling. But yeah, fairly simple purchase, you know. You'll see the price, what they're listed for and all that there. They're not expensive at all. But I highly recommend getting you some garage lights. If you want these ones, you can go with these ones. They do have some alternative options. I'll do a comparison with another lighting system that I purchased in the past. It's not a 6 panel, it's actually a 3 panel. And it's still fairly bright. But if you're looking for these Tanbaby lights, like I said, link is in the description. Again, I'm Anil Vic with Wood Work. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, one more thing. I have one question for you. Would work?